Taking effective governance closer to the grassroots by keeping them informed and updated on key issues, the Northeast Center for Technology Application and Reach, NECTA, under Department of Science and Technology, has set up a community radio station, CRS, named as Mawkynrew 89.60 FM Community Radio, in Jongsha Village under Mawkynrew Block, East Khasi Hills District in Meghalaya.
This FM community radio is the first of its kind in the state of Meghalaya, covering the rural areas, which can be tuned to 89.6 MHz on FM band from your radio or mobile devices to listen to informative programs on education, health, environment, agriculture, local music. This CRS project is entirely funded by NECTA, amounting to Rs 60 lakhs and will be operated by the village Darbar Jongsha.
I would like to express my gratitude toward the NECTA of providing this wonderful radio station for the benefit of our people in my constituency. We will keep working hand in hand together so that people can reach out to this radio station.
The project, which has the objective of rural empowerment, social and economic development, was inaugurated by Mawkynrew MLA Bante Dorlingdo, who expressed his gratitude to NECTA for starting this project in his constituency. Chief Advisor Radio Technologies S. Das informed that it takes 2 years for them to be able to fulfill this project. He also expressed hope that the village community will take forward for the sustainability of this project.
Dreamt about having a project which you can deliver to the community. We have so many hidden talents. We saw this beautiful performance by these young students from the school. So that is one such platform we thought that we can give to the community. This radio station, I hope you will be able to use it as we have dreamed, and it is your platform to showcase your talent.
This project is expected to help in promoting agriculture, rural livelihood and community development, benefiting more than 100 isolated villages with a population of approximately 35,000 people under Mawkynrew block and adjacent rural areas. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.
Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan discussed regional